John. do his best. So he's not crazy.
Yes.
Why is the big Dr. Redford snoring?
That's what it sounds like, isn't it? Like he's snoring. With his big trunk on.
Hey, bud, can you do your elephant dance?
Because elephants need water. That's my
That's the elephant.